Hi, I'm Alan Gordon. I'm the creator of the Cycle of Mind system of mental training. And today I'm going to share with you a starter meditation that's going to help you relax and explore your inner world. And you'll see what I mean. I always wondered how people could sit in silent meditation for so many hours, like those yogis or the Tibetan monks. How are they able to turn off their mind? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you one of their meditation secrets, and I'm going to help you experience that same silence inside your mind for yourself. Only about 10% of the U.S. population meditates. And that means, this is crazy to me, that means 90% of the people in America do not take even 1 minute a day to disconnect themselves from the external world. All of our energy, all of our attention, all of our power goes only toward the external world. We are constantly looking outside of ourselves. But ancient wisdom tells us there's an inner world, and we know this, and that this inner world is more important than the outer world. In fact, the ancient wisdom tells us that the world we experience outside of ourselves is a direct reflection of our world within. And since we don't spend any time in our inner world, not even 1 minute a day, it's no surprise that our outer world is out of control. There's an entire world that's waiting for you to explore. Your inner world is infinitely rich with health and wisdom and wonder. Your inner world, it's a command center from which you can create an entirely new future for yourself and all of those you care about. Now, I'm going to help you balance your outer world and your inner world, because really, you've been living only half a life, and it's long past due to explore your inner abilities. I think meditation has been completely misunderstood. Meditation is not to be looked at as a form or a structure or a posture. That's wrong. Meditation, all it does is to momentarily put our mind in balance, so just for a moment, we can withdraw from the outer world and open a door to our inner world. Now, when you open a door, right, you don't follow the door. You open the door and you forget the door and you move inside. Right? That's the whole point about meditation. We move past it. It's in the same way. Meditation is a doorway. It's not the meditation that we should be focused on, but the inner world that it opens for us. You're about to experience really a totally different approach to meditation that I think you're going to find much, much more to your liking. We don't focus on the idea of meditating. We focus on what's inside our inner world. We open the door, forget the door, and we walk inside and explore all the wisdom that awaits us. So I want you to forget any negative experiences or any failed attempts that you've had in the past with meditation. This starter meditation is going to put you on an easy path to exploring your inner world. And there's one secret about meditation, and once you understand that one secret, meditation becomes natural and enjoyable. Once you get inside your mind, once you get inside your inner world, you start to become balanced. You immediately will become healthier. You're going to begin to communicate with your body and explore its abilities in ways that you've never really thought of before. You can actually train your own mind, that's mental training, to hold specific thoughts. And this inner world is available to every one of us, rich or poor. All we have to do is shut off the outside world for just a moment and explore our inner world. Every single one of us must bring ourselves into balance and understand this other half of our being. You know how to meditate, right? The instructions are so simple, right? You sit still, you turn off your mind, you release all thoughts. Well, here's the problem with that. For people living in our society, for people that have to go to work, they have to earn money every day, they have to pay the bills, they have to take care of children all day, they have to shop and cook and clean. They have to watch all their TV shows and their sports teams and their Facebook and Instagram pages. We are so immersed in the outer world that it's really not possible for us to still our mind. It's not possible for anyone living in our society to turn off all of their thoughts. An untrained mind will never stop thinking. So I'm going to show you a different way to approach meditation, and I think you're going to find much, much more success using this method. The secret to this meditation is not to turn your thoughts off. That would be impossible. Instead of trying to stop your thoughts, what we're going to do is try to direct your thoughts. Choose the thoughts that we think about, not allow them to flow, but choose our thoughts. Do you have a few minutes right now to try this? Look, no emails, no texts, no Facebook. Put your phone away, and if it starts to buzz, just ignore it. I want you to briefly shut off the outer world and experience this inner world, this other half of your being. And I understand that everyone's on a different place with respect to meditation. Some of you are going to find this exercise really easy. Some of you are going to struggle to sit still, or you're going to have the idea that you can't sit still. I'm not allowed to sit still. I shouldn't be sitting still. You're going to be telling yourself this. People will think I'm crazy if they see me. Well, just relax and follow my instructions as best you can for now, okay? I want you to close your eyes. And when you're ready, just sit in a relaxed position and let your arms rest wherever they are comfortable, right? What you do with your hands and your arms is of no significance, as long as your shoulders are comfortable and relaxed. Now, when you get into the course in self-awareness, instead of a sitting meditation like we're doing now, we're going to train using a standing meditation posture. And there's a dozen different reasons why we do standing versus sitting. But for now, just sit comfortably and don't worry about the outside world and just experience your inner world. I want you to take 10 practice belly breaths from your diaphragm. Relax your midsection and actually feel your diaphragm expanding and feel your belly pushing out. Just relax. Breathe in and out slowly. But I don't want you to imagine, when I say focus on your diaphragm, don't just imagine a picture of your diaphragm in your mind. I want you to move your mind into your diaphragm. And as it expands, I want you to also feel with your mind, feel your belly expanding. Here, I happen to have a belly, so it's easy for me to find it. From the top of your belly to where your belly disappears, that's referred to as your ocean of chi. It's called the bottom gate. It's called your bottom section. It's also called your lower dantian. It's like an ocean of chi. Up here at the top of your belly, it's very shallow, and it gets deeper and deeper and deeper until it is an infinite ocean of energy. So just relax. Your diaphragm and your belly muscles are just flowing in and out of that ocean of energy. Notice that you're already deep into your inner world. Now, as you breathe, I want you to imagine this ocean of energy. And as you breathe in, I want you to shrink your lower dantian, shrink this ocean to the size of a grapefruit. And as you exhale, I want you to expand it to the size of a beach ball. As you inhale, shrink it to a grapefruit. Exhale, the size of a beach ball. And that beach ball goes all around your body. It's not just inside your body. Just relax and diaphragmatically breathe in and out, and put your mind not on a picture of your diaphragm, but into your diaphragm. Now, I want you to imagine a CAT scan machine, like a circle of energy that is going to go all the way through your body. So it's a big circle of energy, and as it goes down through your body, I want you to put your mind in this circle of energy, and as it goes through the body, everything that it touches, every muscle that it touches, relax. Your muscles relax. So imagine, with your eyes closed, this circle of energy going all around your body, and as it goes through, wherever it touches is completely relaxed. It relaxes your scalp, your forehead, your ears, your eyes, your jaw, your cheeks, your throat, your shoulders, all the way down. And let that energy relax you, and when it gets down to your hips, it makes a left turn, and it goes through your legs, then it makes a right turn at your knees and goes all the way down through your feet. And I want you to do this CAT scan again. I want you to put it back to the top and go down and completely relax every muscle in your body. And then I want you to do it one more time, a third time. Bring that CAT scan down, bring that circle of energy down, and let it completely relax every muscle in your body. And now, I want you to do the CAT scan again. But this time, instead of relaxing your muscles, that ring of energy relaxes your nervous system. That's your brain and all the nerves that go through your skeleton all the way out through your fingers and your toes. As the CAT scan goes down, picture that ring of energy, but now picture your nervous system relaxing. And it makes a turn at your hips, and it makes another turn at your knees, and goes right through your feet. Do it one more time. Relax your nervous system from top to bottom. And just breathe through your diaphragm, all relaxed. Your belly muscles are relaxed. Your muscles are relaxed. Your nervous system is completely relaxed. I want you to be aware that when you're in this inner world, you actually have an ability, and that ability is you can direct mind to various areas within your body. Ancient Qigong masters said that the Qi follows the will. Wherever you put your attention, the Qi, the energy, follows. So in this example, we're keeping our mind, we're directing our will to our diaphragm and our belly, and we're visualizing. We breathe in a grapefruit, we breathe out, and there's a big beach ball. So you should have a very comfortable and relaxed breathing rhythm going on right now. Now I want you to turn your attention to your lungs, and I want you to feel the air as it rushes into the lungs. It rushes in like a river, right? The trachea branches off, then branches off again and again, thousands and thousands of branches. It's like a river flowing in and out of the lungs with each breath. So I want you to take a few slow breaths and feel the air rushing in and out of the lungs. So now your attention is inside your lungs. Feel the air flowing into the lungs and then flowing back out with the exhale. Flowing in like a river on the inhale and out with the exhale. Okay? Now we're going to focus our mind again. As you breathe in, I want you to turn your attention. I want you to feel the lungs expanding at the back of the lungs, where they connect, where they push against your back muscles. And I want you to feel how you can slightly relax your back muscles to allow the air to fill the back of the lungs. And I want you to ever so slightly relax those back muscles, not just the part that connect to your lungs, but go down in your mind all the way down your back to behind your kidneys and all the way down to the top of your butt muscles. Every time you breathe in, I want that back to relax. That allows the lungs to expand a little bit more. See, your mind can focus on multiple areas within your body at the same time. So we're focused on the diaphragm and the belly, completely relaxed. We're focused on the grapefruit and the beach ball. And now we're focused on the air coming in and out of our lungs. And we're relaxing our back muscles. And so we can feel all of this at the same time and completely relax. And now I want to add one final step for this session, okay? As you breathe in, when you're ready, on your next inhale, don't just breathe in, but when you're just about done, breathe in for 3 more seconds. So your normal breath, but 3 more seconds. And I want you to feel the air filling the lungs. And now that you've relaxed your back muscles, I want you to feel how your lungs are able to expand even more. I want you to feel the diaphragm and the belly relax and expand. And I want you to continue this deeper inhalation and this deeper exhalation for another 10 breaths while I talk to you and close out this session. See, anybody who's looking at you from the outside, who's in the room with you right now, they would think that you have stopped all your thoughts. You've been sitting perfectly still for 10 minutes, but you have not turned off your mind at all. You have directed your mind and you're focused inward. That is the secret, not to shut it off, but to direct mind inward. Frankly, if I keep talking and moving your mind to new parts of your body, you could sit there all day. So now you see the answer to the original question. How do the yogis and the Tibetan monks sit in meditation for hours every day? They are practicing deep self-awareness, which is what you're starting to do now. Now, when you begin the course in self-awareness, and once you get the basic posture, the meditative posture that I talked about, and you're comfortable with the first meditation, I'm going to give you dozens more inner meditations, and every one of them will help you fully explore the capabilities of your inner world. You're going to explore your own body, your own chi, your own energy. You're going to explore the infinite capabilities of your own mind. See, I could talk all day about the benefits of meditation and write an article, the 27 benefits of deep breathing, the changes that you experience in your life when you just disconnect from the external world and focus on the internal world. The changes that come with breathing and self-awareness are infinite, but they don't mean anything if I'm telling you about them. You have to experience them, and hopefully now you've gotten a little bit of a taste. So now, the last thing we do before you open your eyes, when you're deepest in your relaxation, I want you to ask mind a question. And if you ask this, if you get into this relaxed state often enough, and you ask this question often enough, it turns out that mind will actually answer the question for you. And the question is, how can I maintain this state of relaxation and peace in the outer world? Repeat that again. Repeat and ask your mind, how can I maintain this state of peace and relaxation in the outer world? And maybe not this one time, but if you do this several times over and over again, you'll find that while you're in the outer world, all of a sudden, mind will answer the question. Wait a minute, here's how you can maintain that state of peace and relaxation. And all of a sudden, you're going to start to be relaxed. And all we're doing here is, here's the outer world and here's the inner world. All we're doing is taking you from 99.9% outer and 0% inner to 50-50, or just a little bit at a time. You don't have to go 50-50. Some people want to live in a cave and have nothing to do with the outer world. You may want 50-50. You may want 60-40. Whatever you want, move yourself away from the outer world and learn what lives inside you. You have infinite ability that lives inside your inner world. And you can come here and explore it at any time. And that's really what the Cycle of Mind system is about. It's an oasis for your mind to be able to explore your own true abilities. So if you haven't already opened your eyes, open your eyes in a nice relaxed state and go back to the outer world. But you'll notice a little bit different, that you're a little bit different, because you're now ever so slightly starting to get yourself back in balance. Balance the inner world and the outer world, and everything in your life will improve. All right. I'll see you. I want you to go to the course in self-awareness, and I'll see you there, and we'll go through these meditations in much more detail. I'll see you there.